Get you. No. Go down the slide. Christopher. Christopher. Show Nana how you go down the slide. All by yourself. Come on. All by yourself. Okay. Here, sit down. Okay. Sit down. You gotta sit down.
Done.
Good job. You gonna go down backwards? Okay. Yay! You doing it again? You going again? The bucket go down? Okay, you go down. Bear. Sit down. Sit down. There you go. Go down the slide. Go. Yay! Good job.